Welcome to our channel. Binance makes it easy to sell USDT for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. Follow these instructions to complete your sale. Step 1. Log in to your Binance account through the website or mobile app. Ensure your account is verified to access full trading features and withdrawal options. Step 2. Navigate to the trading section by clicking Trade. In the main menu, then select Convert for simple exchanges or Spot for advanced trading with more control over pricing. Step 3. If using Convert, select USDT in the From field and choose your desired currency in the To field. For spot trading, search for the trading pair like USDT, BTC, or USDT, EUR. Step 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. The platform will show you the equivalent amount you'll receive and any applicable fees. Review this information carefully before proceeding. Step 5. For Convert, click Preview Conversion to see the final exchange rate, then confirm. For spot trading, choose between market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to set your preferred price. Step 6. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. The received funds will appear in your wallet within seconds for crypto exchanges or a few days for fiat withdrawals to your bank account. Step 7. Verify the transaction was successful by checking your wallet balance and transaction history. Keep records of all trades for tax reporting purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.